Hello everybody. We're going to be opening up another package. I already know what's in this. This is a transmission controller. The customer didn't contact me ahead of time, letting me know it was open. After he sent it, he got a hold of me and said it was open and already in the glove box. So we'll see what we get here. I make no guarantees on open units. I charge a 1 hour bench fee, whether it works or not, whether I think it's repairable or not, depending on how many bonding wires are messed up, depending on what the prior work looks like, will depend if I will even repair it or not, or even attempt to. So I explain this all on the website, but every now and then somebody don't read it. So we'll open it up and see what happens. So I think he said he put a business card in there. Yeah, he did. So let me hide the business card. So yes, somebody has opened it, and they did a okay job. No, kind of. Just got to look at the pens. Let me just come up here real quick. My focus is on lock. There we go. Now it's on autofocus. Yeah, I don't do exchanges on these because when people open them up, you never know what they get. Like this right there is unacceptable. So let's see what's inside of it. This is the scary part. See what they did. Oh boy. Oh no. That is definitely horrible work. Let me see if I can zoom in here. That's gonna have some problems. Yes. I can already tell they've got problems there. Surprised they were able to solder to that wire. I'm gonna have to remove all this work and see. Oh wow, we got bonding wire bent. Well, I'm gonna have to get this under the microscope because I can't see it too well. But yeah, that looks pretty horrible. But once I undo the work and clean it up, I'll be able to get a better picture of what it's gonna need. But this is what happens, I believe, when you use local computer shops that don't know how to work on aluminum boards. Can't see if they destroyed the pads or not. But I gotta get under the microscope to look. Can only zoom in so far with this camera. I'll give them an estimate. We'll see what happens. So, for my standard service includes up to 5 bonding wire repairs. So, usually don't include undoing other people's work. But 1050s, those are way too high. 2250. Yeah. Well, I'll get it under the microscope. I might do a live stream on it. I don't know. I'm about 4 days behind, 5 days behind right now on stuff, but we'll see. Catch y'all later.